Yes, some who are willing and open shall indeed have these experiences and these perceptions. There will always be those who resist and will not open and will resist change. These are the individuals who will not enter into this new world, but will most likely live out their lives in the darkness which they prefer and the conditions in which they prefer. But because of the dichotomy of this new world overlaying the old world, the conditions of the old world will be such that these resistant individuals will find it very difficult to survive in these conditions and will more than likely enter into the spirit world quickly. And so they will not influence the new world, and they will not be a part of the new world. But those who are open, those who are receptive, those who are able to understand and comprehend the laws of creation will enter into a condition, a place, a new world that is much more in harmony with their true spiritual selves and in harmony with a somewhat altered physical self that will come about because of these changes and because of the influences and blessings that are coming now.